welcome back to my channel. So we're just gonna get right into this frontal wig install. So I do place just small thin dots to outline where I am going to have the lace stop. So that's what you'll see me doing, and then I will go in and proceed to start to add my layers. And I did do 3 layers for this look.
Monkey.
I can't remember if I have mentioned this in a previous video or not, but when you are taking the comb and pressing the lace into the glue, you don't really want to press super hard. You just want to glide across it, because if you press too hard, then the glue will seep through the lace. Don't forget, when you are cutting this lace, it's easier to use a razor comb because you can make your zigzag cutting easier than with a pair of straight scissors. Or even if you are not comfortable with the razor, you can buy those crazy zigzag scissors that already come designed to cut in a zigzag. I would recommend those for anybody that's freshly starting to do lace or on their self, just so you can get a more natural look, because when you cut straight across, that's what makes the frontal look more like a wig.
Monkey. Monkey.
Now, before I add my Got2b gel and my Nairobi mousse, I mix those together. But before I apply that to the baby hairs, I do go ahead and form them to see how I want to lay them before I go in and add the product. And all my clients know, especially my brand ambassador, I hot comb to death. I'm sorry if the heat seeps through the lace, but you want it to be sleek and flat and natural. And that's what I'm gonna have to do.
Monkey.
In this spray bottle, I added leave-in conditioner and water. You can actually use a cream leave-in conditioner, but if you do, just know you have to shake it up very well in the spray bottle with the water. Instead of the spray leave-in conditioner, it's already a spray, so you don't have to shake it up. And then I spray that, and then I go in with my foam. That is Compositions by Design Essentials, but you are able to use any other foam. Just make sure it doesn't have a lot of water in it if you read the ingredients on the back, because if it has a lot of water, it's not going to define that curl and make it pop. are at the end of the video. Thank you for watching and tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you press the notification bell so you can get notified when I drop all my new videos. Until next time.